make it hot. Come on. Let's go.
All right, just before we start, there's a young man whose birthday, where he is? He's Oakley Stevens. Where is the birthday? It's his father's birthday, Oakley Stevens, that is coming from your son, Omarion. Omarion is here. All right, there's Omarion. All right, so happy birthday, Mr. Stevens. Time for rollout. I think you guys know what we do. They have 3 contestants and they get a minute to perform. I think you guys will decide today, you guys here will decide who the winner is. Who can manage that? All right, so Simone will still give her thing as she normally does, and then you guys will decide who's the winner. The first one up, his name is Von Globe. Run the track.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, from the movie man. Got the Christmas music for the Christmas. All the movies you wanna watch this Christmas. I got the Christmas movies for your Christmas. I'm the Christmas movie man. Me a the movie man, movie man. Anyway you see me, call me movie man. You hear me, movie man, movie man. Me have the latest series, latest action, latest romance with full of passion. Double show, scary show, show with alien. Yes, me have African. Yo, you want one of the baddest action wherever come out a jam one. Other they come and shut us. Me have the clean version. So Papa mini series romance drama.
All right, Von Globe.
Like him? 3?
How much?
All right, wait. I'm going to give my score, and then
right, Sim will
at
give
the end, no,
yeah,
they can decide. So me, I give him a 3.
You give him a 3. So give Simone, it's out of 5.
10 is out of 5.
It's out of 5, we go. Are you brother? Give him a 10. Next man up, Dan Reno.
Dan Reno looks sharp.
It's Christmas time. I saw it now wine. No violence and crime. Show no man. Christmas season, Christmas season. Learn to dance, learn to dance. Nobody we no cussing, nobody we no what. Just dance, my youth just dance. Christmas season, Christmas season. Learn to dance, learn to dance. Nobody we no cussing, nobody we no what. Just dance, my youth just dance. All I got gifts on the Christmas church. I wish no picnic for the Christmas place. I love to see the youth them living in peace. And I make it with the brand new change. I love to see some volleyball thing skirt. I love to see the girl them living in peace. Sorry like what I miss it son face. I mean I tell about the rice and peace. Christmas season, Christmas season. Learn to dance, learn to dance. Nobody we no cussing, nobody we no what. Just dance, my youth just dance. Christmas season, Christmas season. Learn to dance, learn to dance. Nobody we no cussing, nobody we no what.
Wait. Like,
I'm going to give Dan Reno a 5.
You gave him a 5, yeah. But like when he move along a bit, I'm saying so.
And his suit bad.
What?
And his shoes badder.
Yeah, the outfit win too.
Yeah.
All right, third and final contestant, Mr. Roy Mason. We give him 5? You give Dan Reno 5?
Yeah.
All right. Roy Mason.
We all know say Santa Claus not coming to no ghetto. And if them ask you, tell them say alright, Mason says so. Mason again, I beg you live up now. This is Christmas time, my friend, and it won't be long. I beg you live up now. It is Christmas time, my friend. You have to hold on strong, yes. If you have one cake, you have to fit, you have to fit, you have to hustle overtime in the streets. I beg you live up now. This is Christmas time, my friend. You have to hold on strong, yes. Lord, the ghetto coming like it's a tree where a beer broke pocket and a beer hungry belly. Me buy a fan fi blow away mosquito when hungry start. By same time me a fi silly. Nothing fi move me all, though she works so hard. Turn manager and can't manage fi own a yard. Lose no matter how right you play your card. Victims of the system. I beg you live up now. This is Christmas time, my friend. You are.
Yes, man. Me like Roy Mason too. How much you say? 5 too? 5-2? Hold on. Wait. Sim?
Yeah, I'm going to make you all decide. So I'm going to give him a 5-2. Yes, man. And then it's your decision anyway.
It's your decision, you know.
So come and step forward.
So hold on. Is either Dan Reno or George Mason? What? I'm George Mason.
Well,
Roy Mason.
Come.
George Mason at
Come,
university.
Nev. Movie man.
No.
All right. Rena.
All right. All right. So it looked like it's Dan Reno. Dan Reno is the winner. There you go.
Yeah, but
congrats.
well.
I think everybody was good.
Yes,
Clap
yes,
everybody,
yes.
man. Clap everybody. Clap
Well
everybody.
done. Congrats,
Clap
Dan Reno.
everybody. Well done.
Spondy, do we get to hear Dan Reno again or no? After.
All right, we're
we'll
going to take a break. Yeah, man.
Yes?
We're going for a break? All right, we're going for a break, folks. Soon come.